Every day, your agents burn hours on calls that customers would rather handle over text, and your phone queue just keeps growing. Zendesk's IVR call deflection lets callers press a single button and switch to SMS instantly. In this guide, we'll walk you through the complete 5-step setup. Phone support costs $3 to $5 per interaction when you factor in agent time and infrastructure. SMS runs closer to $1. Agents can only take one call at a time, but they can handle multiple SMS threads simultaneously. Just 15% deflection saves your team over $1,300 every month. The flow is simple. A customer calls, your IVR greets them and offers an SMS option. They press a key, and an SMS lands on their phone within 30 seconds. The conversation continues over text and automatically creates a ticket in Zendesk. No hold music, no waiting. Before you configure anything, run through this checklist. You'll need Zendesk Suite Professional or Enterprise. The team plan doesn't include IVR. You'll also need an SMS-enabled phone number, admin center access, a recorded IVR greeting, and a compliance review with your legal team for TCPA. Start by disabling voicemail on the phone number you want to use. IVR and voicemail cannot run on the same number at the same time. Head to Admin Center, then Channels, Talk, and Numbers. Select your number and turn voicemail off. Save, and you're ready for step 2. Next, record the greeting callers will hear when they dial in. Navigate to Talk Greetings, add a new one, set the type to IVR, and upload your audio or use text-to-speech. Keep it under 30 seconds, something like, press 1 to receive a text, press 2 to speak with an agent. Now set up the IVR menu. This is the core configuration. For the key you assign to SMS, select text back as the action type. Choose your SMS-enabled sender number and write the initial message customers will receive. When a caller presses that key, Zendesk immediately fires the SMS and ends the call. With your greeting and menu ready, go back to your phone number's routing tab and toggle. Enable IVR to on. Select your configured menu and your IVR greeting from the drop-downs, then save. Your number is now live. Every caller will immediately hear the SMS option. Always test before you go live. Call your support number from a personal phone, navigate the IVR, press the SMS key, and verify the message arrives within 30 seconds. Reply to the SMS, confirm a Zendesk ticket gets created, then repeat the test from a different carrier to catch any delivery issues. The first SMS you send sets the entire tone of the interaction. Keep it under 160 characters. Personalize it with the customer's name, set clear expectations for response time, and always include opt-out language to stay TCPA compliant. Get this right and customers feel taken care of from the very first message. Once it's live, track 3 numbers: deflection rate, cost per SMS interaction, and customer satisfaction. Target 10% or more deflected calls, $1 to $2 per SMS, and 90% CSAT. Zendesk Explores IVR key press reports give you the deflection volume data automatically. If you want to go beyond just shifting channels, Easel AI takes it a step further. Instead of routing to SMS and still needing agents to respond, Easel resolves up to 81% of common tickets entirely on its own. It learns from your Zendesk ticket history, works across email, chat, and SMS, and starts at a flat $2.99 a month, not per seat. Set up Easel AI on Zendesk in minutes and let it handle the repetitive work so your agents can focus on what actually needs them. Start free, no credit card required. Visit easel.ai to get started today.